Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain graphical method of stationary waves. Let we have a progressive wave. So this is a progressive wave. We need to study one complete wave. One complete wave starting from this point up to this point. The wavelength of this wave is lambda. So the wavelength is lambda. And the time period of this wave is t. Now we need to study this wave. So at t equals 0, so the wave take this form. Let the amplitude of this progressive wave is A. So this is the amplitude, it's A. So the amplitude of this wave is A. Now we study this point here. So we need to study this point. At t equals 0, the point at this position. After quarter time period, the point transfer in this direction, so it reached to this position. It moves a quarter time, it moves a quarter lambda. After another quarter time period, reach to this position, half lambda. After 3/4 time period, reach to this position, 3/4 lambda. After complete time period, the point reach at this position. We need to draw the wave. So this is the wave. So this is the wave. Now what happened to this wave? This wave moving in this direction strikes this medium. It will be reflected back. So after reflection, it becomes like this. So this is the reflected wave. So we have two waves, incident wave and reflected wave. According to the superposition, the two waves interfere. We need to study the position of this point after quarter time period, so it becomes in this position. We talk about this. After another quarter time period, the point reach to this. After quarter time period, the point reach to this position. After one complete time period, reach to this. So this is the direction of movement of reflected wave. What is the resultant of the two waves according to superposition? This point is 0 at this. After quarter time period, we have that two waves. So this wave has amplitude A, and this wave, this amplitude negative A, and this amplitude is A. So the resultant wave is 0. Also, this 0 plus 0, it is 0. This one amplitude is A, and the other is negative A, so the resultant is 0. Also this 0, also this 0. So what is the resultant of the two waves after quarter time period? So this is the resultant of the two waves after quarter time period. After half time period, we have here amplitude A for the incident wave and amplitude A for the reflected wave. So the resultant is 2A. A plus A, it's 2A. Okay? So the resultant, it's 2A. So we will get this position. after 3/4 time period, this positive A and this negative A, so the amplitude is 0, and this 0 plus 0 it is 0, this minus A and plus A it is 0, 0 plus 0 0, minus A plus A 0. So the resultant of the two waves according to the superposition after 3/4 it becomes like this. After one complete wave, 0 plus 0 it is 0, and this minus A it's minus 2A, so we have this one, and this 0 plus 0 it becomes 0, and this A plus A it's 2A, so we will get this pattern. So this pattern is called the stationary waves. The incident wave of amplitude A, the stationary wave amplitude it's 2A. Now we need to study the movement of the point of the what happened to the stationary wave. The crest stay crest and 0 stay 0 and the trough stay trough, but they vibrate at the same position with amplitude 2A. So the amplitude is doubled. Now what is the difference between progressive wave and stationary wave? In progressive wave, so this is the progressive wave. After one time, it becomes like this. After particular time, it becomes like this. So this point, it was at 0. After particular time, it becomes a crest. And this point at 0, after particular time becomes a crest, and so on. All the points of progressive wave have a chance to be crest. So the progressive wave transfer energy. In a stationary wave, the energy exists but does not propagate. The energy does not transfer from place to place. That points have 0 amplitude called node, denoted by n. So this point is node, this point is node. The distance between two nodes equals half lambda. The amplitude increases, resonance will be occur in case of stationary waves. So we need to make a summary of difference between progressive wave and stationary waves. In progressive wave, the amplitude is constant. In a stationary wave, each point has different amplitude. Progressive wave transfers energy. Stationary wave does not transfer energy. Resonance, the effect of a stationary wave is the resonance. The resonance is what? Resonance occurs when a material oscillates at a high amplitude at a specific frequency. I hope you understand this lesson. Thank you.